Welcome to the Immigrants in the USA podcast, where we understand that the journey of moving to a new country is filled with both hope and challenges. As immigrants ourselves, we have experienced firsthand the excitement of starting anew while navigating the complexities of life in America. Our podcast was born out of a deep desire to offer support and guidance to others like us, those who are already living here or dreaming of making the leap. Each week, we share 3 thoughtfully crafted episodes that cover an array of essential topics, from understanding American education systems and exploring travel destinations to achieving professional success and mastering financial literacy. Our mission is simple: to empower you with valuable insights and practical advice as you chart your own path in this diverse land. Whether you're seeking tips on improving your English skills or looking for inspiration on how to thrive in your new environment, we're here for you every step of the way. Together, let's navigate this beautiful tapestry of experiences that define life as an immigrant in the USA. Welcome to the Immigrants in the United States of America podcast. For the next few months, our podcast episodes published on Wednesdays will include excerpts from MaestroSersea's eBook, Job Search Strategies for Immigrants in the USA, to help you further understand, be better prepared professionally, and thrive in the United States of America. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Welcome to the Immigrants in the USA podcast, where we equip current and future immigrants in the United States with practical advice and valuable insights. In today's episode, we will cover MaestroSersea's ebook titled Job Search Success Strategies for Immigrants in the USA. Today, we will focus on Chapter 2, Crafting an Outstanding Resume, including subchapter Writing a Compelling Summary Statement. Are you ready to begin? Let's get started. Job Search Success Strategies for Immigrants in the USA. Chapter 2, Crafting an Outstanding Resume. Writing a Compelling Summary Statement. The summary statement serves as the introduction to your resume, essentially providing a snapshot of your professional self. It is the first thing employers will see when they review your application, making it absolutely essential to make it compelling, persuasive, and attention-grabbing. Think of it as your opportunity to make a lasting impression and entice the employer to delve deeper into your qualifications. To begin crafting your summary statement, the first step is to thoroughly analyze the job description and identify the key skills and qualifications that the employer is seeking. This will allow you to tailor your summary statement to align with their specific needs and demonstrate how you can fulfill their expectations. By highlighting the most relevant skills and experiences, you increase the likelihood of catching the employer's attention. Once you have identified the key skills and qualifications, it's time to brainstorm and reflect on your own experiences. As an immigrant, there may be unique experiences, cultural competencies, or language skills that set you apart from other candidates. These are the assets that you want to emphasize in your summary statement. Remember, the goal is to showcase your strengths in a concise and impactful manner. When writing your summary statement, it is important to adopt a persuasive tone that convinces the employer that you are the ideal candidate for the job. Begin with a strong opening statement that grabs attention and sparks interest. This could be a brief mention of your most impressive achievement or an introduction to your unique background. From there, focus on emphasizing your key skills and experiences, aligning them with the qualifications outlined in the job description. Use action verbs to showcase your accomplishments and demonstrate your ability to contribute effectively in a professional setting. For example, instead of simply stating that you managed a team, you could say that you successfully led a diverse team of individuals to exceed project goals, resulting in increased efficiency and cost savings. Remember to keep the summary statement concise, aiming for 3 to 4 sentences that pack a punch. Avoid using jargon or technical terms that may be unfamiliar to the employer, opting instead for straightforward language that clearly conveys your expertise. Keep in mind that employers often spend only a few seconds scanning each resume, so your summary statement should be concise yet informative enough to leave a lasting impact. In addition to showcasing your skills and experiences, consider incorporating keywords and phrases that are relevant to the industry or job position. Many employers use applicant tracking systems to filter resumes based on specific keywords. By strategically incorporating these keywords into your summary statement, you increase the chances of your resume making it through this initial screening process. Furthermore, it can be beneficial to highlight any relevant certifications, degrees, or specialized training that you have obtained. This not only demonstrates your commitment to professional development but also reinforces your qualifications in the eyes of the employer. Your academic achievements and advanced degrees can serve as strong credentials, lending credibility to your summary statement. Lastly, as an immigrant with a unique cultural background, don't be afraid to showcase your language skills or multicultural competencies in your summary statement. In an increasingly globalized world, employers often value candidates who can effectively communicate and interact with people from diverse backgrounds. If you are fluent in multiple languages or have experience working with international clients, make sure to highlight these assets in your summary statement. Crafting a compelling summary statement requires careful thought and attention to detail. It is your opportunity to make a strong first impression and set yourself apart from other candidates. By tailoring your summary statement to align with the employer's needs, emphasizing your key skills and experiences, and adopting a persuasive tone, you can increase your chances of landing that coveted job. So, take the time to carefully craft your summary statement, and let it be a reflection of your unique qualifications and aspirations. Go forth, confidently presenting your professional self to the world and reaching new heights in your career.
Thank you for listening to today's episode of our Immigrants in the USA podcast, where we understand that the journey of moving to a new country is filled with both hope and challenges. Join us again as we share 3 distinct episodes each week that cover an array of essential topics, from understanding American education systems and exploring travel destinations to achieving personal and professional success and mastering financial literacy. You are invited to also visit our official website for Immigrants in the USA at www.immigrantsinthe.us. Together, let's navigate this beautiful tapestry of experiences that define life as an immigrant in the USA.